All right, moving on to other news. We're tracking from India. Now, the Indian Weather Department has predicted heavy rain and thunderstorms in Mumbai and also the adjoining areas, forecasting very heavy rainfall from Saturday through Sunday. An orange alert has also been issued. According to the IMD, the intensity of shower is forecast to rise majorly as the week progresses. Weather experts say that the upcoming system over the Bay of Bengal is likely to drift northwestwards over Maharashtra, Mumbai and the adjoining areas, could be in for a heavy deluge between September 27th and 29th. With uneven rainfall patterns across the state of Maharashtra, several districts show deficit in rainfall, while some recorded above normal rains. Marathwada districts such as Dharashiv, Beed, Jalna and Hingoli experienced excess rainfall. Reports suggest that the state has recorded over 996 millimeters of rain since June 1st, which is nearly 104% of the seasonal average. Well, our principal correspondent Disha Shah has sent us this report from Mumbai on the rainfall mayhem there. Take a listen.
Maharashtra's Marathwada and the western regions face the heaviest rainfall that we can say in the last 50 years, leaving 8 people dead and more than 150 villages completely submerged underwater. And as we speak, the rescue operations are currently underway by the team of army and the authorities on the ground level. According to the information available, more than 30 lakh farmers have been affected due to the heavy rainfall, because all of these regions are known as the farmers' belt. 90% of the population living there are farmers, and more than 33,000 hectares of crops have been completely damaged. And the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Devendra Fadnavis, after visiting the flood-affected cities as well as districts, have assured farmers of compensation. In the other hand, what we understand that the IMD has also predicted that the coming weekend, which is also the festive weekend, will see heavy rainfall in Mumbai, could see disruptions like what we've seen last month as well in the city of Mumbai. And that is why people have been asked to travel safe and only after getting alerts and reading about the alerts via IMD. This is Disha Shah reporting here for WION from Mumbai.